We are given 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. It looks very easy at first, but that is exactly why many people rush and get it wrong. So take your time and think through each step. Before we start, remember this important rule. When an expression has only division, we must solve from left to right. We do not group numbers randomly, and we do not skip steps. This rule is very important if you want to get the correct answer every time. Now let us go step by step slowly. First, 6 divided by 6 equals 1. That part is simple and clear. So the expression now becomes 1 divided by 6 divided by 6, and we are not done yet. We continue solving from left to right. Next, again from the left, 1 divided by 6 equals 1 over 6, which is a fraction, and that is perfectly fine. So now the expression becomes 1 over 6 divided by 6. At this point, some people get confused, but just stay calm and follow the process. Now we are dividing a fraction by a whole number. So to make it easier, we rewrite the 6 as 6 over 1. So now it becomes 1 over 6 divided by 6 over 1. And this helps us apply the next step correctly. Now apply the keep, change, flip rule. Keep the first fraction the same. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So 6 over 1 becomes 1 over 6. Now we have 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 6. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 1 equals 1, and 6 times 6 equals 36. So the result is 1 over 36.